Okay, this is my second ever unboxing video. I've got a box here to open up. And so almost exactly 7 years ago, like almost to the day, published the first version of my book, Launch. And this is actually the very first edition because it doesn't say New York Times #1 bestseller. You know, after the first run and it hit New York Times #1, then they put that banner up there. But this is the original edition right here. And 7 years ago, I got a box and I got to hold it for my first time. And the crazy thing is, well, Reed Tracy, a friend of mine, who just happens to be the publisher or the CEO of Hay House, pulled me aside and he said, the amazing thing about this book, Jeff, is the letters you're going to get. Once they start coming in for the people that thank you for it, that tell you about the results they've gotten. And as I reflect back on it, I mean, it's been unbelievable. I know of at least two I can think of off the top of my head, two people who've created 8-figure businesses from using this book. So 8-figure means they're doing $10 million in sales per year. And countless more have built $1 million businesses, and many, many, many more have built $100,000 businesses or done $10,000 launches. So in any case, that's a big, long preamble to opening up this. What this contains is the new edition, completely rewritten new edition. If I can figure out how to open this box, this is it. It is so much work. Many of you have written books. It is so much work to do a book and then to hold it in your hands finally. So here we go. Oh, I got two of them. Here it is. Launch. Updated and revised. How to sell almost anything online, build a business you love, and live the life of your dreams. There it is. I mentioned Reed Tracy over at Hay House. I've got a new publisher, and the new publisher is Hay House. And it's coming out July 27th. It's available on Amazon. You can go, well, it's available pretty much anywhere. You can go pre-order it right now. So it's amazing. 7 years ago, here. Now this is, completely radically updated, revised. I think there's like 100 new pages in here. I put so much work. When I first started doing this edition, I really thought I was going to get off easy. I'm just going to do a few light updates, and here we are, hundreds of hours of work later, and it looks awesome. What do you think? I went from blue, we went to yellow. Hope it stands out. What are the odds? This is what I wrote on the back. What are the odds? Out of the millions of books in the world, you find yourself looking at this one. Even if we just consider business books, there are hundreds of thousands, and here you are wondering about investing your time in this one. Let's make this simple. And there's no humble way to say this. If you've ever seen someone launch their product, service, business, or brand online in a big way, they either learned the formula from me or they learned it from someone who learned it from me. There's no theory in this book. It's got a proven process that's worked over and over in countless markets and niches around the world. I say this from experience because I'm the author, and teaching this formula has become my life's work. If you want to start an online business or build the one you already have, or you're a one-on-one practitioner and you want to build a leveraged income, or you're an artist or author who wants to get your work out into the world in a bigger way, this is the book for you. Open it up to find the step-by-step launch formula, as well as the stories of more than a dozen people who have used it to transform their business and their lives. There you go, the new edition coming out July 27th. I am stoked. I wonder, 7 years from now, whose story I'm going to be telling. Who will I have heard from who read this book and built a serious business? There you go. It's available. You can pre-order it right now. I'm Jeff Walker, wherever you're watching this. After you go order the book, scroll down and leave a comment for me. And let's go get them this week.